Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys, and today I'll be showing you how to duplicate a campaign on Google Ads. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do guys, go ahead to the official Google Ads website, ads.google.com. So when there, you want to log into your account, or if you do not already have one, create a new account. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see all of the campaigns that you have, and you can create new campaigns. So guys, first things first, we want to go ahead and enter our campaign list. So we're going to do that by clicking on this button at the left side of the screen called campaigns. And after campaigns, guys, go ahead and click on campaigns once again. So clicking on this button guys, now this brings us to this page right here where we can see all the campaigns that we are running. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and find the campaign that we want to duplicate. So let's say this is the campaign right here. Check it at the left side here, right at the checking box. And now you have a couple options that you can choose. You want to go ahead and click this edit button right here. And after clicking that guys, this will open up this new options tab and we want to click copy. So clicking copy guys, now we have copied the campaign and we want to once again click edit. Clicking edit guys, you want to click paste. And now guys, after clicking paste, this will now give you the option to copy and paste your campaign here. So go ahead and click on paste. And guys, you can see here, now this is pasting our campaign here and we're going to wait for it to finish. So as you can see guys, now it has been pasted, and even though it says this campaign type can be pasted, if you have a campaign type that can be pasted, this is how you do it and this is how you duplicate it. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.